What is robotics? Robotics is the intersection of science, engineering, and technology that produces machines, called robots. It is the development, creation, and use of bots that accomplish tasks like exploring the planet's harshest conditions, assisting law enforcement, streamlining surgical procedures, and undertaking rescue missions. Robots are automatically operated machines that replace human effort. The robot can save time, but it can result in a lag. It is a machine, so you can't expect too much from them. If the robot malfunctions, robots can be guided by an external control device, or the control may be embedded within. Robots can carry out a complex series of actions automatically. Applications of robotics. Robots can be used at home. They can help with chores, remind us of our schedules, and even entertain our kids. Such as the autonomous vacuum cleaner Roomba, robots can be used in autonomously mowing grass and cleaning pools. Robots can help elderly individuals, and they can complete food delivery. Robots are used in fighting forest fires. Robots can be used in hospitals, hotels, and on roads. They are used in healthcare to assist in surgical procedures. Robots are used by pharmaceutical companies to help fight COVID-19. They are used to fill and seal COVID-19 testing swabs, and they are used by some manufacturers to produce PPE and respirators. Robots can be used in military operations. They can detect landmines in war zones. They are used in undertaking search and rescue missions after natural disasters. Autonomous robots can operate independently of human operators. They are designed to carry out tasks in open environments that do not require human supervision. They are used in manufacturing, working in factories, and finding and carrying items in warehouses. These robots and cobots, bots that work alongside humans, work to efficiently test and assemble products, such as cars and industrial equipment. Humanoid robots look like or mimic human behavior. These robots usually perform human-like activities, like running, jumping, and carrying objects, and they are designed to look like us, even having human faces and expressions. Dependent robots can interact with humans to enhance and supplement their already existing actions. Augmenting robots are known as VR robots. They can enhance current human capabilities or replace the capabilities a human may have lost, such as robotic prosthetic limbs or exoskeletons used to lift hefty weights. Shipping, handling, and quality control robots become a must-have for most retailers and logistics companies. Advantages of robots. Robots carry on with the same repetitive work with the same perfection for a long period, thereby ensuring consistency in the production workflow and output. Robots can be run for long hours if maintained properly, but humans can't work continuously after a certain time, which may lead to the risk of fatigue, injury, and other issues. Robots increase productivity, efficiency, quality, and consistency of products. Unlike humans, robots don't get bored. Until robots wear out, they can do the same thing again and again. They are very accurate. Robots don't have the same environmental requirements that humans do, such as lighting, air conditioning, or noise protection. Robots can be set to work on a repetitive cycle continuously without any break, thereby increasing the production rate. This results in higher output that helps in the recovery of cost and makes profits further. They are cost-effective, they improve the quality. Manual involvement in repetitive tasks may affect concentration levels and can lead to errors and quality failures. Robots contain some sensors, actuators which are more capable than humans. They can work in environments that are unsafe for humans, such as in the nuclear or chemical industries. Robotic automation reduces wastage. Robots in the manufacturing process ensure fewer quality deviations, which means there will be no material wastage due to failures or non-standard products. Robots eliminate the risks by accurately producing and checking items as per specified standards. Products manufactured with more precision and consistent quality create new business possibilities for companies. Robotic automation relieves the workforce from routine, laborious work and engages them in other tasks that allow them to expand their skills. This will create a better environment from which the business as a whole will benefit. Robots are used in hazardous environments. Workers may work in unsuitable or dangerous environments that lead to health issues and safety risks. Automated robots can be designed and deployed to work in any environment without posing any risk to organizations and their workforce. Disadvantages of robots. Robots don't have a sense of emotions or conscience, they lack empathy. Robots can operate on the basis of information fed to them through a chip. When one thing goes wrong, the entire company bears a loss. However, robots can be superior to humans in some ways. They don't have the power to think, analyze and create by taking information from their surroundings. Robots can only do what they are told to do. They can't improvise. They can be superior to humans, but they are less dexterous than humans. They don't have powerful brains, and can't compete with a human's ability to understand what they can see. Robots are very expensive, in terms of the initial cost, installation, maintenance, the need for extra components and the need to be programmed to do the task. Robotic automation comes with high investment costs. Robotic automation needs a constant power supply that involves extra costs. The introduction of robotic automation requires expert personnel skilled with knowledge of sophisticated programming, operations, and maintenance. The company can assist with the initial installation and setup process, but other staffs are to be trained to manage the system in the long term. When robots replace human jobs, they can create economic problems. Workers may suffer job loss. Robots can offer output at a faster rate with more consistency and perfection, and there may be no need for human intervention in the future for certain activities.